phishing. This is the most popular and most common attack by hackers. 80 to 85% hacking is done using phishing, and people will fall into that. People will not know that the phishing has been done. Right now, many guidelines have been given by government and bank, everyone. So phishing is in control. But if an hacker is smart enough, he can do phishing still. So it is still a very common attack. Let's see what is that attack. Suppose you are accessing internet. Okay, this is internet. Now you, in your system, you want to open a website, facebook.com. Now what you have to do, you have to send, actually how the client and server system work. Whenever you open any website, how the system works, internet works, I am briefly describing that. You have to send a request to Facebook server. Okay, suppose the Facebook server is placed here. Facebook server will check your username and password, and if it is right, it will give you back Facebook page, and you will be able to open www.facebook.com. I hope this much is clear to you. Now what this phishing attack does, suppose someone want to steal your Facebook username and password. See, it's very easy to do Facebook phishing attack on any website, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, or any website you take. It's very easy. I am not going to teach you how to do that, but I will tell you actually attacker how they are doing. I will tell you a idea behind this attack. You have to remember that only. You don't have to do phishing attack. You don't have to perform phishing attack, but you have to be protective. You have to secure yourself if you find this phishing attack happening on you or your family member or anyone around you. So if you don't know what is this phishing attack, then you will not be able to protect yourself from it. Now what happens, suppose there is one attacker. This is an attacker. An attacker wants to get your Facebook username and password. What this attacker do? Attacker has his own server. Attacker will create a fake Facebook page here, and it will give, can you give facebook.com same domain name? Can attacker give same domain name? No, because this is called domain name actually. This is called domain name because this domain name is already taken by Facebook. So attacker cannot give facebook.com as a name. What attacker will do? Attacker will create a fake page with a name, see, Facebook. What I have excluded here, there is no E. Okay, I will create my website, I will host and have a domain name facebook.com with excluding E. Okay, now what attacker will do? Attacker will send you this fake link to you through email, through WhatsApp, by any means. And it will display a message, from tomorrow onwards, your Facebook account may get blocked. Please log in using this link so that you can use your Facebook account after tomorrow also. So what you will think, oh, Facebook, I am not going to use Facebook from tomorrow. Let me log in with this. Let me click on this site and log in with my username and password. So what you will do, when you open this page, facebook.com, you will find exact same page as Facebook, exactly same. Blue color, username, password, and everything. What you will do, you will enter your username here and you will enter your password here. But remember, this is fake page. Now, when you click on login, will you be able to send requests to this Facebook server original? No. What you are doing, you are sending your username and password data to this person, to this server. Okay? After you log in, you will get a display message that your internet connection is not proper. Please re-log in. Now, second time when you will re-log in, you will log into your original Facebook page. First time, what you will think that may be possible કે મારા internet connection માં problem હશે એટલે નથી ખુલ્યું. You may think like that, but this is not actual reason. Actual reason is somebody has stolen your username and password. Okay, this is called phishing attack. Okay, phishing means in your normal way how this term came. You have seen a fisherman. What he do? He એક fish પકડવાની એક જાળ બનાવે છે. ઓકે, એમાં ફિશિસ બધા હોય છે અહીંયા નીચે. તો એ ફિશ અહીંયા ખાવાનું વિચારીને અહીંયા આવે છે અને એ અહીંયાથી પકડી નેટમાંથી તમારા જોડે લઈ લે છે પાછું. તો અહીંયા પણ એવું જ કર્યું. તમને લાલચ આપી કે ફેસબુક કાલથી બંધ થઈ જાય છે. કાં તો એવું બી કહી શકે છે કે ફેસબુકના નવા ફીચર્સ યુઝ કરવા માટે આને લોગિન કરો. કઈ બી રીઝન આપી શકે છે. Here is a trick. Attacker should be smart enough to make sure that you click on that link. તમે લિંક ઉપર ક્લિક કરી એટલું તમારું કામ પૂરું. તમે you are being hacked. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, there is one thing going on around the internet. There are some fake websites that say that you can give us any username and password and we will hack that. એ લોકો શું કરે? એ લોકો પોતાની એક વેબસાઇટ બનાવે એમાં કે પહેલા તમારી યુઝરનેમ અને પાસવર્ડ નાખો પછી તમારા ફ્રેન્ડનું નાખજો. તમે તમારું યુઝરનેમ અને પાસવર્ડ ઓરિજિનલ નાખશો એટલે તમારો અગેન યુ આર બીન ફિશ્ડ. ઓકે, તો તમારું યુઝરનેમ અને પાસવર્ડ જતું રહેશે એના જોડે અને તમારા ફ્રેન્ડનું તો ક્યારે બી મળશે નહીં. તો તમને કોઈ બી એવું કહે કે ફેસબુક હેક કરવાનું કે ટ્વિટર હેક કરવાનું સોફ્ટવેર છે, અત્યાર સુધી દુનિયામાં એ સોફ્ટવેર બન્યું નથી અને બનવાનું બી નથી. ઓકે, ધીસ ઇઝ ફેક થિંગ. I hope you have understood what is phishing. If the time permits and if you do all the work that I give to you along with me, not only 5 or 10 students, but every student, I will show you phishing demo. I will show you phishing in practice. Okay, in live phishing we will do. But only if you follow all the instruction and guidance given by me. If you don't follow that, then I will not teach you phishing. I will not show you phishing demo. Okay, I will just show you how the hackers are doing. I know this how to do phishing. Okay, I hope the phishing is clear.